Alright, so the Archer or Archeer, I have no idea how to pronounce it, A226 Bluetooth speaker. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this speaker and letting you know my personal thoughts on it. Now, this is an outdoor, water-resistant Bluetooth speaker, pretty much designed for camping and things like that. And for $26, this thing is an absolute steal. So first of all, let's just quickly go over its appearance. This is the orange variant. There is also a silver variant. We have a nice plastic orange ring around the outside here on the front and the back, and some orange trim on each side. That's pretty much the only difference though between the silver and the orange. Besides that, they both share the same black, pretty thick feeling plastic grille with the Archer logo in the middle. And on top, they are both fashion Bluetooth speaker with a mode button, play pause button, volume down, volume up, which also doubles as a previous track and next track, and then a button on the end for the flashlight that is built into this Bluetooth speaker. Absolutely perfect for camping. It's also got a carabiner clip thing on the side here, so you can mount it to your backpack while you are hiking or something like that. On the back, we just have the model number, DC 5 volt in indicator, and the battery capacity, which is 2200 milliamp hours. And below this little plastic flap here, which I could see being slightly annoying, we have an auxiliary input, which is triggered between the modes between Bluetooth and auxiliary. We also have a micro USB to charge the device, and we also have the power switch. I could see this kind of being kind of annoying. I'd rather it just be a button, maybe put the mode switch back here and have the power button here, but that isn't that big of a deal. You only turn it on once and then use it. But as far as the sound quality of this thing goes, for $26, it's hard to beat it. I'd highly recommend these for the price, and I can't recommend them more. They have 1-inch drivers on each end and a passive radiator in the middle, and they sound reasonably good considering the price. They're slightly lacking in the low end, but that can be tuned at low volumes with an equalizer. However, I believe the amplifier in this thing is way more powerful than the speakers are, because you can definitely get some audible distortion, which sounds like speaker distortion and not actually amplifier distortion. And this is very, very noticeable at high volumes. However, for the price, you can't go wrong. At low volumes, the treble is really detailed and crisp. The mids are really, really nice. And the bass is somewhat lacking, but can be added with an equalizer. And then at high volumes, the bass actually picks up, and then at very high volumes it starts to distort. But with that being said, the actual sound quality of this speaker is very, very good for the price. When you consider how well built this speaker is, it's also water resistant, not waterproof, so don't go submerging it, but it is water resistant, so you could be taking it on your backpack and it can be raining while you're hiking or something along the lines of that. Alright, so that is my review of the Archeer A226. Now comes the sound demo.
Get down to the beat side. all my boy with Fred and Brownie. Come on!
See you later when I get older. I still remember the smell of your perfume. It hasn't left me since the day you made me blue. I think I saw you, but I know I'm not supposed to. I must be dreaming, cause I don't believe in ghosts, yeah.
As you can tell by the sound demo, it's a great sounding speaker for $26. You also got to take into mind, this thing is extremely ruggedly built. The build quality feels next to nothing and they have not skimped on it. I've seen a video where people have said the grill here in the middle has been a bit weak. They've definitely worked on that because that is as much force as I can possibly put on it just there. And you can hear there's just a little noise, but the grill isn't pushing in. So they've definitely made this thing structurally absolutely top quality. For the price, I don't know how they're managing to put all of the product into this one thing. You've got a torch, you've got a pretty good sounding Bluetooth speaker, extremely well built. I'd be able to say this would be able to resist like multiple drops onto concrete without going wrong, with the nice rubber coating around here. If I had one negative as well, as far as the build quality though, the speakers are powerful enough to actually make this thing vibrate on the surface, which is okay because it doesn't sound terrible because of this rubber coating here. It sort of just moves instead of making loud banging noises if that was hard plastic. But as far as the money goes, you cannot beat this thing. If you want a great Bluetooth speaker to take hiking or outdoors or take out in your garage where you're building speaker cabinets or something like that, I'd highly recommend this Bluetooth speaker. But with that being said, if you've enjoyed this video, chuck a like down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stick around for more review videos of Bluetooth speakers. I know I have another company sending one on its way now, and I have more plans for future. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.